Right, she's back for the part 2, and as you can see there'll be part 3. But we have big ass moth. I think it was 2 A3s I put together. That there is A3, and then the top section there is A3. The tail from there to there. So that's, yeah, 2 of them. What I lined was 11 liner. I lined it all with 11 because, like I said in videos, it's nice when you have a thicker outline. So when you color in the black, it's best, easier, faster, looks cleaner, and it heals cleaner as well. And speaking about heels cleaner, you can see the leg ones, they heal really nice. They still in like that shiny stage where they just shiny, flaky. But yeah, the black stayed nice and black, and yeah, pretty happy. And then we'll see how they actually heal when they actually settle. But so far, nothing is cracked, nothing is broke apart, nothing has just, I don't know, nothing has fallen out really. Yeah, 11 lines, you can see that go up, and then I use 5 tight to get the thin lines there, so they're really fine, small, sharp lines, because we want to make the bold ones the main ones. What else I need to mention? Ink wise, I use dynamic triple black, no shading ink, nothing today, just pure 5 and then 11 stenciled in one piece. Yeah, one time, first try, measured where that is. Actually no, we cut these off.
Yeah,
we cut the bottoms off, because originally the bottoms would line on these black lines, so we kind of made these more inwards. Yeah, there's the stencils there. What else I need to mention? I think that's about it. So now she needs to heal, and then see where we are. And then more black coming there, and then we're gonna do some minimal shading. The lady's requesting some small light shading throughout. But yeah, mostly this is black. There's nothing to shade on the leg ones. But then we're gonna have some there. Maybe you can give a few words about pain, spine or side.
I thought the spine would be the most difficultest area with pain, but actually it was bearable all over. Obviously tingly, if you have a little bit of a break, you get more tingling initially, but you get used to it. Ribs, I didn't really notice any difference for ribs, to be fair.
Even when you were sleeping on the side, I put you on the side this position.
Yeah, I didn't notice anything different really from the other. So it was worse when I had my stomach and obviously over the scarring.
Yeah. Could be,
but no, the back was actually not bad at all.
And lower back, bum cheeks.
Bum cheeks, that bit was the worst.
Well,
that area.
The last session, yeah.
Yeah, and also healing wise, that part was it was smart for quite some time, so a bit tender.
Sore, yeah. Sore for weeks.
A bit sore, yeah.
Hard to sit down.
I still sat down, no problem, but you felt, ooh, and then you got used to it. So
yeah, but it looks like you did a good job with creaming and washing, and it's there, nice and neat, clean, and yeah, beautiful. And then who knows where the future's gonna bring us, huh?
It's probably up towards the front as well, going towards the front area.
So you guys are gonna see a few more sessions of her. She loves us now. So, see you guys.